This is the only way to make your iPhone footage look cinematic. Okay, I'm joking. It's not the only way, but I'm going to tell you all and most of the good ways to make your iPhone footage look very cinematic. A bad camera with great lighting can look like a really good camera. So right now, for example, I have my window right here. Very tall window pointing right at me. That's my key light. And then for my backlight slash side light, I have a light right here. The only reason I didn't use my softbox light for my main light is because I'm literally filming. In front of me is a wall, so I can't put it there. So I gotta use what I have and have a window. So that just proves that you can literally use natural light as a main light and a main source of light. Number 2 is audio. Audio is 50% of the viewing experience. So as you see right now, I have my Blue Yeti Snowball microphone plugged into my PC and I'm recording right there. And then after this, I record this video, I edit the audio and make it sound fantastic. Some people may just use the in-camera audio for your phone, but that really sucks. That's why I'm using this. And if you're doing like a travel film, there's these adapters you can connect to your phone, or you could have a lavalier mic that can adapt to your phone. There's a bunch of microphone options for iPhones. So don't let audio be your excuse, because if you have great audio, great lighting, video will really look cinematic. Here's the other thing. You want to color grade your footage. Straight out of phone iPhone footage sometimes looks great, but a color grade will always make it better and look more cinematic. For me, I just added my custom color grade and it looks perfect. I do have to tweak the color grade just a little bit because there isn't as much flexibility with the footage as there is with mirrorless cameras like my mirrorless camera, because I'm recording this on iPhone obviously, so I can't stretch the image too much, so I'll have to adjust that, lower any intensities or anything, but it still looks good than the original footage. Another way how to make your iPhone footage look cinematic is using movement. Buy a gimbal for your phone that you can move around. Like let's say you're doing a cool travel video, use that gimbal, do cool shots, because who doesn't like a cool shot? If you're just static, people will have more time to see the imperfections in your video. So that's why move around, use a gimbal, go handheld, do moving shots. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video helps you guys a lot. See you guys later. Peace.